Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of these Python interview questions videos, we covered up to 11 questions. The next question what we have related to the error, when we will get index error, when we are going to get this index error in Python. See, there is one special scenario is there, you know very well. So if we are trying to access the element, or if we are trying to access the object from either string or list or tuple, okay, so with out of range, so then we will get index error. Best example, sir, I have a list is there, or I have a string is there with only 3 characters. Let us assume I have a string with only 3 characters. Sir, can I get the first character? Yes, happily we can get the first character. Like I am taking s of 0 because indexing concept is there. The output what we are expecting is nothing but a. Let me check. Yes. Can I get second character? We can take s of 1 where we will get b. Can I take third character? S of 2 where we will get c. Like that we can get the characters one by one. Sir, by mistake, if we are trying to print a third character, I mean fourth character, is there any fourth character in the given string? No, right? In such cases, what will happen? We are getting index error. The value which you are trying to access is not in the range. In such cases, we will get index error. What is that message? String index out of range, string index out of range. Like that we are going to get. So it is not only applicable for strings, even we can use it for list. Consider I have a list with only 2 elements. Can I print L of 0? What output we are going to get? 10. Can I print L of 1? The output is 20. Can I print L of 2? No, we will get index error. Index error. But maybe the name, the description they are going to change. Have you observed? Both are index errors only. But here string index out of range because the object is a string. Here list index out of range because here the object is a list. And even you can use for tuple also. Like that we have. I think you understood very clearly what is mean by this index error. When we are going to get this index error, when you are trying to access the objects from string or tuple or list which is out of range, then we will get this error. Okay, thank you friends.